Hi, this is Evan. Many people asking me what kind of equipments are needed to produce the paper air freshener cards. So to understand about this business, you need to know the structure first. So a paper air freshener card consists of 3 different layers: top layer, middle layer, and bottom layer. So the top and the bottom are made of coated papers, and in the middle part is cellulose paper. These are the printed coated paper, and there is a middle line. So later we will fold it, so we have front side and back side. So these are the cellulose paper raw materials, and you can see this one is 0.9 millimeters thick. And the thickness can be different according to your requirements. To fold the coated paper, we need such a die-cut machine. And here, you will see there is a blade. There is a line here. What we need to do is, for example, we need to put the coated paper onto the machine. So this line is the middle line, and we need this blade to die cut. Then we can fold like this. The second step is gluing this craft paper, and then put the cellulose paper inside. Fold it. A platen press machine is needed to help the coated paper and the cellulose paper bonded tightly together, and make sure there is no bubbles inside. After drawing out, we go to the die cutting machine again. Cut the boards into small pieces. To cut the cards into sizes, you need this kind of die cut molding. It's all customized according to your artworks. Then you need to sort out the cards like this. Add strings on the cards and sort into bundles. Soak the cards into perfumes. Perfume is another important material that you need to pay high attention to. Perfume costs under one same name can ranges from just a few US dollars to hundreds of US dollars. Why? The ingredient matters. And for some markets, such as Europe, they have really strict regulations about this part. If the material is wrong, your product won't be allowed to sell. So how we solve it, how we make ourselves safe. We are in Shenzhen. Here we have lots of factories, perfume factories. So we collect the samples, compile the quality, and did the factory audits so we can select out the good partners easily. Anytime we need the perfumes, we ask the perfume suppliers cooperate with our other suppliers. So this is never a question for us. And the second point I want to share with you guys is the density of the perfume. It matters about how long will your products last. It's about the ratio of the perfume and the solvent detergent. We have done lots of experiments with our suppliers. So for now, the results what we get is 2 perfume and 1 solvent detergent. This is the max we can reach for the moment. And of course, higher perfume density That means higher costs than the normal. And of course, it can last longer. At least, I think, it also depends on the climate. But according to our experience, at least it can last 15 days. Okay? And for lots of promotional gifts orders from our supplier, these orders from others, okay? The lowest they can reach for now is 0.3 perfume to 1 solvent detergent. It's totally different. And yeah, at this point, if it's 0.3 perfume to 1 solvent detergent, you don't need to discuss about how long does it last, because it's promotional and it's really cheap. You get what you paid for, right? The final step is the packaging. Put them into PP bags and then vacuum packaging. Actually, vacuum packaging is kind of an optional service. So, if you want to have a production line like this, then you will need die cutting machine, glue spreading machine, plate press machine, and bag sealing machine. And the vacuum packaging machine is an optional choice. Okay, that's it. Thank you for your watching.